Welcome back. Today in this class we are going to discuss some important output based questions that will be asked for your board exam in Java. So today we will discuss some questions based on increment or decrement operator. So all of you know the difference between increment and decrement operator, and for what purpose we are using this increment and decrement operator. So this is a symbol for increment operator, that is plus plus. Then minus minus denotes decrement operator. Okay, when two minus symbols are comes, that is known as decrement operator. So this is increment operator. So increment operator are of two types, pre-increment and post-increment. Similarly, decrement operator are also two types, that is pre-decrement and post-decrement. So let's see how we can apply it. So let's see. Here a is a variable. So before the variable a, when two plus symbols come, so it is a increment operator. Okay. So what type of increment it is? It is a pre-increment operator. That is the meaning of pre is before. Before the variable, when the operator comes, it is known as pre. This is pre-increment, before the variable. We can say the plus operator. Similarly, before the variable a, there are two minus symbols come. So what is the meaning of minus minus? It is a decrement operator. So what type of decrement it is? It is a pre-decrement operator. Okay, similarly, there are post-decrement and post-increment also. So here the variable a comes first, and after the variable, when 2 plus comes near to that, then it is post increment. That is, post means after the variable, when the operator sign comes, then it is a post increment. So here after the variable a, when two negative symbol, that is minus symbol comes, it is for decrement operator. Then this is post decrement. So I hope this is clear for you. Pre means before, symbol comes before. Post means symbol comes after the variable. So these are the four types of decrement and increment operator. So let's see all these things with a simple example how we can apply this in Java program. So just consider here, there is a small example, int a equal 5. So what is the meaning of this particular line? That is, here we have declared a variable a of data type integer with the value 5. Here we have assigned the value 5 to the variable by using the assignment operator. So what is the purpose of assignment operator? What is the purpose? Assignment operator, whatever the value comes on the right side, that will be assigned to the left side. So when we take, after writing this statement, if we put a semicolon, that means the termination of this statement. So when we terminate this statement, what is the meaning? Whenever we take the value of a, it should hold the value 5 in it. Okay. So after that, so the value of a is 5. So here system.out.println of plus a. Here we have printed the variable a. How we printed? It is plus a. So what is it? It is increment operator, plus plus. So what type of increment? It is pre-increment. Why we are saying like that? Because the operator comes before the operand. Clear? So it is a pre-increment operator. So the rule for applying pre-increment operator is that, what is the rule? We have already studied that. Increment and then use. That is the rule. Increment and then use. That is, first we have to increment the value of a by 1, then use it. So what is the meaning of plus a? The meaning of plus, what is the meaning of plus a? It is a shorthand term, isn't it? So what is the meaning? Plus a meaning, the meaning is that a equal to a plus 1. That is the meaning. Similarly, a plus plus. What is the meaning? A equal to a plus 1. That is the value of a will be incremented by 1. That is the meaning. Okay. Similarly, a minus minus. What is the meaning? A equal a minus 1. That is the entire thing. The value of a will, whatever the value of a, that will be decremented by 1. Similarly, what is the meaning of minus minus a? A equal a minus 1. So this is the meaning. So both of these things can be applied in different ways. Let's see how all these things can be applied in our program. So let's see. So plus plus a, it is pre-increment. So what is the meaning? The meaning is that the value of a will be incremented by 1. Isn't it? So what is the initial value of a? So it is, what type of increment? It is pre-increment. What is the rule? In pre-increment, the rule is that first you have to increment, then use. First increment, then use. That is the rule. Okay. So both the meaning of this and this are different in our Java. Both done the same thing but in different ways. So in pre-increment, first increment, then use. So here, what is the initial value of a? It is 5. So 5 is, we are going to increment since it is pre-increment. First we are incrementing, that is the value of a becomes 5 plus 1. A will be because the initial value of a is 5, it is incremented by 1. So we increment, then we use. So what is the value of a now? 6. So when we apply this statement, what is the value? The output will be 6. So the new updated value of a is now 6. Okay. So system.out.println a plus plus. So here also we are incrementing, but the meaning of a plus plus is a equal a plus 1. But what type of increment is this? This is post increment. So what is the rule? In post increment, first use, then increment. First use, then increment. So first we are applying using the value. First we are using the value. So what is the updated value? New updated value is first use, then increment. Then we are incrementing it by 1. So the new updated value, first we are using. We used it in the equation, in the particular statement. Then we increment. So the incremented value will be stored in memory. Clear? So 7 will goes to memory. Clear, students? So this is about post increment. That is, first we are using, then we increment the value. So the incremented value goes to memory. So keep in mind, this is the most important thing. So now the updated. So in this statement, what is the value of what is the output? The output is 6, but the value will be incremented by 1. That 7 goes to computer memory. Okay. So here the value printed will be 6 itself, but the 7, that incremented value goes to memory. So after executing this statement, the new updated value of a will be 7. We will take that from memory. But here the value will be printed as 6. So then the slide, system.out.println of a. Here we are not using any message. Here we are simply printing the variable name. So whatever the value that particular variable holds, that will be printed here. So what will be the value we are going to print here? So what is the new updated value of a? It is 7. We are taking that value from memory. So here the value will be 7. So I hope this is clear for you. This is very, very important. So this is a difference between pre-increment and post-increment. So in pre-increment, what we are doing, the rule is that first increment, then use. Okay. So we are incrementing and using in the same equation. But in post increment, what we are doing? First use, then increment. First we are using that variable values as it is, and we are updating that value by 1 in the computer memory. So we are not using that particular value in that particular equation. So keep it that in mind. So that is the updated value. That updated value will be taken by whether there is any other variable as it is we are using in the similar equation. So this is about increment operator. So let's see it's the same thing in the case of decrement. So in this equation, just consider the value of a will be 5 int a equal 5. So what is the first thing? System dot out dot println of minus minus a. So what type of operator it is? It is a decrement operator. What type of when we are thinking about an operator, first thing, what type of operator it is? Then whether it is separation of for that operator, then think about that. Okay. So here it is a what type of operator? It is a decrement operator. So we know that decrement operator are of two types, that is pre-decrement and post-decrement. So what type of decrement is this? This is a before the variable. So what is the role? Pre, that is first decrement then use. So here the meaning of minus minus a is a equal a minus 1. The value of a will be reduced by 1. So here since it is pre-decrement, so what happens? First we are going to decrement. That is, what is the initial value of a? 5. 5 minus 1. First we decremented, then we are using. So in the same line we are decrement and we are using. So what is the new updated value of a? It is 4. Okay. So in the next line, system dot out dot println a minus minus. Clear? So it is also a decrement operator. What type of decrement? It is post decrement. So what is the rule? So what is the meaning of a minus minus? The meaning is that a equal a minus 1. The meaning of a minus minus equal a equal a minus 1. But what we doing here is, since it is post decrement, first we are using whatever the value of a, we are using it in the equation, then incremented the value, and that value will be stored to memory. Clear? Okay. So what we are using here? First we are using, we used. So since we used it, so what is the result of this statement? The result will be printed as 4. So first use, then decrement, then we are going to decrement. That is 4 minus 1. What is the meaning 4 minus 1? That is 3. Where this 3 goes, it will goes to memory. Clear students? Here 3 is not printed here since it goes to memory. First we are using this value since it is post decrement. So I hope this is clear for you. So the new updated value will be, what it is? 3. So whenever after this statement, whenever we are taking the value of a, it will be 3. Okay. So system dot out dot println of a. So what is the new value of a? It is 3. Clear? So this is about decrement operator. So I hope this is clear for you. So students, for your board exam, from this section, surely a question will be asked for your exam. So let's see those questions. Okay. Let's consider this question. So this type of question will be asked for your board exam. So what is the value of y after evaluating the expression int y equal 8? So the expression is y plus equal plus y plus y minus minus plus y. So the purpose is that you have to apply the value of y in this expression. Okay. So what is the value of y? It is 8. Clear? So what is the first thing? Y plus equal. So did you see this operator anywhere? Yes, it's a shorthand assignment operator. What type of shorthand assignment operator? That is, what is the meaning of y plus equal? It is shorthand addition assignment operator, isn't it? So first thing is we want to expand this thing, y plus equal. So what is the meaning of y plus equal? The meaning of y plus equal, y equal y plus. The meaning of y plus equal. So we have expanded this thing as this. So this is a expanded form. Y plus equal y plus. Clear? So we expanded that thing. So when a question like this comes, you first expand this. So we have expanded that. Then after that, put a bracket. Clear? So whatever expression comes after that, then write it. Plus y plus y minus minus plus y. Clear? Now we want to substitute the value of y in this expression. So we are going to substitute the value of y from here to here. So whatever value we assign and whatever value, after substituting that value and after evaluating that, what is the final result that comes after evaluating the entire thing, that should be assigned to this y. Okay. Clear, students? So I hope this is clear for you. Clear? Okay. So we are substituting the value of y from this, not from here. Okay. So what is the initial value of y? 8. 8 plus, then put a bracket. Clear? So what is the first thing? Plus y. So what is it? It is increment operator. What type of increment? It is pre-increment. So what is the meaning? Pre means before. Before the variable, the operator comes. Pre-increment operator. So what is the rule? First increment, then use. Okay. So the meaning of plus y is, what is the meaning? Y equal y plus 1. That is, we want to update the value of y plus 1. So what is the initial value? 8. 8 plus 1. What is it? 9. So plus y is 9. So the new updated value of y will be 9. Then put a plus. Then what is the next thing? Y minus minus. So what type of operator here we are using? It is decrement operator. What type of decrement? It is post decrement. Okay, that is, we are decrementing the value of y by 1, but since it is post decrement, first we are using the value. So what is the value of y? It's 9 itself. First we use, then decrement, then we decrement. That is 9 minus 1. What is it? 8. That 8 will be stored in computer memory. Clear? So for the next, if there any y comes, then we use the value from memory for that y. Okay. Then plus y. So what is the value of y now? So since we decremented, that value goes to memory. So what is it? 8. So new updated value is 8. Okay. So it is equal to 8 plus, what is 9 plus 9? It's 18. 18 plus 8, 26. So what is 26 plus 8? It's 34. So the value of y equal 34 after evaluating the expression. So I hope this is clear for you. This is sure question for your exam. This is very easy. So the minute thing is, so pre-increment is easy. When the case of post-increment or post-decrement comes, at that case only some confusions occur. There is no confusion over there. Just the thing is that in post or post-increment or post-decrement, first you use that value itself. Whatever the value for that variable, you use it in the expression. Then decrement, and that value will be stored to memory. So for any other variable comes after that, you can use that value from memory. So this is about increment operator question or post increment or decrement operator questions. So this is the next question. What will be stored in x after evaluating the following expression? Int x equal 4, x plus equal x plus 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 x plus x. So this is very simple. So let's evaluate. So what is the meaning of x plus? So here we have used the shorthand assignment operator. So what is the meaning of x plus? First we want to expand it. So the meaning of x plus equal x equal x plus. That is the meaning. So we expanded it. Then whatever comes after that, put it in bracket. So what is the first thing? X plus plus, then plus 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 x plus x. Okay, that is, then we want to substitute the values. Okay, so what is the value for first? 4. 4 plus, then what is the first thing? X plus plus. So it is increment operator. So what type of increment? It is post increment. So what is the thing we want to do? That is first use, then increment. So first we are using the value. So what is the value? First we used, then increment. Okay, so we have incremented the value by 1. That is, it's 5. That goes to computer memory. Okay, plus 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 x. So what type of increment is that? That is pre-increment. Okay, so pre-increment means first increment, then use. First increment, then use. So what is the new value of x? It is 5. That is, first we are going to increment 5 plus 1. Then we are using 5 plus 1. That is 6. First incremented, the value will be incremented, that is 6. Then we are using, that is 6. Plus, so what is the new updated value of x? It is 6. So 6. Okay, so 4 plus, what is it? 10, 16. Okay, 4 plus 16 is 20. So the value of, therefore the value of x equal 20. So I hope this is clear for you. So this is the next question. What is the value of m after evaluating the following expression? M minus equal 9 mod plus plus n plus 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 n by 2. When int m equal 10, n equal 6. So here there are two values are there, m and n, and you want to substitute these values in this expression. So let's see. So what is the meaning of m minus equal? That is a shorthand assignment. That is m minus equal is a shorthand assignment operator. So first thing you want to expand it. So what is m minus equal? It is m equal m minus. That is the meaning of that. Okay, then after that put a bracket, then write the remaining. That is 9 mod plus plus n plus 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 n by 2. Okay, then put the semicolon. Okay, now after that we are substituting. So when an expression like this comes, so you first expand that one like this. Don't substitute the values at the initial stage itself. So next we are going to substitute our values in this expression. Okay, so what is the value of m? It is 10. 10 minus 9 mod. So what is plus plus n? So what is the value of n? It is 6. So what is plus plus? It is pre-increment. That is first increment, then use. So 6 plus 1 incremented. That is 7. First incremented, then use. So we have used it. Incremented and use. Then plus 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 n. So what is the new updated value of n? It is 7 plus plus 1. What type of increment is that? It is pre-increment. That is first increment then use. So that is we are incrementing the value of n by 1. That is 7 plus 1. That is 8. Then we are using. So 8 by 2. Okay. Next 10 minus. So the most important thing in Java I give, we have studied about the operator precedence. So apply, or you have to apply that BODMAS rule over here. Okay, you have to apply operator precedence rule mostly in this type of expression. Okay, so 10 minus, what is 9 mod 7? What is the meaning of that? What type of operator is that? Mod operator. Mod is a operator that is used to get the remainder as result. That is, we want to divide 9 by 7 and we want to get whether there is any remainder. That remainder is the result. For that we are using, for getting the remainder, we are using the mod operator. So what is 9 by 7? How we will use it? 9 divided by, that is first 9 divided by 7. So it is, what is the remainder? 2. So what is the result? For this 9 mod 7, not 1, it is the remainder. We want the remainder. So 2. Plus, don't add 2 plus 8. So in mathematics, first we are giving priorities to brackets first. Then we are giving importance to mod operator, division operator and star operator. So here when plus and slash comes, give first precedence to star. So first we want to divide 8 by 2. So what is 8 by 2? It is division, that is slash is division operator. So what is 8 by 2? It's 4. Okay. So 10 minus, what is 2 plus 4? It is 6. So 10 minus 6, it's 4. So the value of m will be 4. So see students, when you are subtracting like this without considering the bracket, what will happen? 10 minus 2, it is 8, 8 plus 4, like that the result. So give operator precedence in this type of expressions. So I hope this is clear for you. So study all these questions. I will give you some sample questions. You will work out that questions and send me the answer in my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.